First, I need to cut the plywood that I bought from a local hardware using a circular saw. Sizes are 60 feet long by 18 inches width. After I cut the materials that I need, I assemble the first side of the bed and use a square angle frame to ensure that the bed is properly scaled. Next step is to install the middle partition of the bed that will serve as division between the box that it will have and drawers that I will put later on. I divide the box portion of the bed into two parts, which will also serve as the reinforcement of the bed. The other side is divided into three columns, where I will put a drawer that I will make later on. After I have installed the division where I will put the drawer, it's time to install the drawer guide, which will handle the drawer for easy pull out. I also want to make the cut latch easily pull up, so I installed a hinge on it. After I have completed the frame of the bed, it's now time to prepare the box that will serve as drawer. Instead of paint, I use laminate board as it is more shiny and give elegant look. now time to install drawer and attach into the drawer guide that I put earlier. To make it more elegant, I installed front cover laminated with mahogany Hassie style. Here is now the final outcome of the custom bed that I built. I hope that you enjoyed the video.